And only on 2, a bizarre break-in. The homeowner says the thief rang his doorbell before ransacking his place. Well, you have heard of thieves casing homes before breaking in, but that homeowner in River Oaks says that a crook had the audacity to stare into his surveillance camera before doing the deed.
We have the video only on 2 tonight. This is the man that homeowner believes broke into his place and then pretty much tore it apart. Our Ryan Korsgaard joining us live in River Oaks with this strange crime alert. Ryan?
Bill, now keep in mind the family wasn't home, but this visitor came up and started looking in the house, and what he didn't realize, he was on camera the whole time. Watch this guy. The video was recorded when he approached the front door of a home in River Oaks Thursday night when the family was away. He looks in the home and also looks right in the camera mounted in the doorbell. He even touches the camera with his glove-covered hands.
And we think discovering that nobody was home, therefore he felt like he had time to get in, steal.
Charlie Nyhouse and his family were at dinner. When they came home, they found a broken window. The back door was splintered.
Well, I think here this is where he ultimately got in the house and ultimately left, and I think he just came up and somehow ripped it open. We had the deadbolt on.
Inside, they found the master bedroom ransacked. The bed was flipped over with purses and jewelry missing. Nyhouse wishes he had heard the alert sent to his phone from the doorbell called Ring. It allows the homeowner to talk directly to the guest from anywhere.
I would have been able to talk to him through the device, and then he would have thought either someone was home or someone was on their way home, and hopefully avoided the incident.
And to give you an idea, this is it. It's called Ring. It'll cost you about $200 with all of the accessories, and it takes the pictures right there. And everything that's recorded by the camera is sent to their phone as well as recorded.
I think that'll deter some of this activity that I think is becoming more and more prevalent in the city.
Here's one more look at this camera. The homeowner hopes that police get a chance to talk to this man. We're live in River Oaks today. Ryan Korsgaard, KPRC, Channel 2 News.